Is there any way to access these initially difficult to find medications?
Yes. Look on the internet and find a drugs trial that will be going off, and there are lots and lots and lots of them, and they're all desperate to find people to take part in them, and that will give you access to drugs that aren't available on the NHS, and that's important. Not all of them have placebos. Avoid ones that give you a placebo. The trial I'm on is the trapeze trial, and that has various arms, but they're all arms that work. None of them are just sugar pills.
Can I just explain that to the viewers, that in a randomized controlled trial, usually there's two arms or two groups, and people are stratified or separated into a group who has the latest trial drug and a group who has a comparison. In some trials, the comparison can be effectively an inert tablet or placebo, but in other trials, the comparison is the current standard, the current active drug. So you'd have a comparison of the newer drug against the current drug, and that's what you're talking about non-placebo trials. And there is a danger, if people want to think about it like this, that in the placebo randomized controlled trial, it is possible to be allocated to an inert drug but not know it, because it's a blind allocation.
That's right.
Meaning you're not told. That's the whole purpose of the randomization.
Yeah.
So that's why trials, although they can be attractive and an important source of certain new drugs, they can be, they have to be taken on, the information has to be taken on board carefully.
Yeah.
It's a difficult decision, actually.
You need to choose which trials are good for you. There are two very good ones and very big ones. One is the Stampede trial and one is the Trapeze trial. And all of those, you do get active treatment with different arms. Some use just chemotherapy, some use chemotherapy and zoledronic acid, some use strontium 89, which is another arm of it, and another arm of it uses all three, but they're all active drugs and you will get active treatment, which is important.